How to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. If you're facing this issue, then the first thing you want to do is make sure that your phone is not on silent mode. So for that, go ahead and turn your volume all the way up on your device. Next thing you want to do is head over to settings. On your settings, you want to scroll down and select apps. A list of all the applications will be shown over here. Go ahead and find WhatsApp, select that. Now you want to select permissions. Here, select microphone and make sure that you have given the permission over here. If not, select the allow option, then head back. Now you want to open Play Store or App Store. Here you want to find WhatsApp. If you find an update option, select that and update WhatsApp to the latest version. If that doesn't fixes your issue, head over to settings again, go to apps, now find WhatsApp and here select storage, then select clear cache. If you're using iPhone, then you want to offload the app. You also want to make sure that your internet connection is strong. You can try to toggle on the airplane mode on and off to refresh network. Make sure that you have updated your phone's software in settings if there is an update available. Also make sure to turn off the low power mode in your settings. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.